How to fix Excel not responding on Windows. Hey guys, today I'll show you guys how you can fix if your Microsoft Excel is lagging or not responding. First thing you're going to have to try to do is just go ahead and open the Excel application and click on your Excel file to open it up. If you can open it up normally, you should not have any problem, but what you're going to have to do here is check if you're able to run it normally. But if not, then you're going to have to open your task manager. Right click on the taskbar and open it up. Now, once you open your task manager, there might be some Excel files that might be running in the background. So you're going to have to go to the details tab right here. Now, in order to completely terminate the Excel, you're just going to have to find excel.exe, right click on it, and then end process tree. So it will completely end process 3 and they will get closed and you'll lose any unsaved data. So go ahead and click on end process tree. So anything that's going on in the background will be terminated. Now the next step is to try to run your Excel in safe mode. Open your run dialog box and then type in Excel space /safe. Hit enter. And if you're able to run Microsoft Excel on safe mode, then there should be no problem. So if you see an error, something like this, you can just click on repair now and it will automatically fix itself. So once you've done that, you can go to files at the top left. Just wait for a bit. Now go to files and then go to options. From here, go to add-ins. And once you go to the add-ins option, click on manage, click on go. And if there are any unnecessary add-ins available, you can remove them or just uncheck them. Click on OK. Now just restart your PC once. And once you've restarted it, you can run Excel normally. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.